Hi, this is Daryl, and welcome back to Coffee Break Linux. Lesson, we're going to be talking about folders and files. Well, what is a folder and a file? A folder is a container which holds information. Basically, it will hold other files and other folders. So for example, we go here, that would be a file, and it's sitting within a folder. A file, however, is different to a folder, where it has the information stored on the inside, meaning for example, this tar thing, I'd be able to use it with another program on the system, whereas a folder, I can't really do much except store. So here we have the overall view of the basic folder system in Linux. You have all the same stuff you'd see on a Windows. You got your desktop, documents, downloads, images, everything else. It's all set up the same way, so images will go into images, music into music, documents into documents, everything. So we'll start off with opening a folder. So just click on it, and it takes you to the file that would be on the inside. You want to create a new folder. Now what you do is you right click, you go create new folder. In this case, you can put whatever you want for a name. So I'll put odds and ends. Now, there's another quicker way of doing it, and that is using just the keyboard. We do not have to use the mouse for this. We'll press Control Shift N as in Nancy. Boom, new folder. And this one I'll just do ends. See, it didn't say there's a second one because that one used capitals and that one does. In Linux, it's all case sensitive. So now we're going to show how to cut and paste, copy and paste from one folder to another. So here we'll go to our file here. Oops. We'll open up a new window here. Now, the easy way would be to click, drag, go to odds and ends, drop. Goes from the images folder to the odds and ends folder. And we do the same thing, bring it back. Now another way you can do this is the copy paste buttons, which is Control C for copy and Control V for paste. And if you see in this case, we copied it, meaning we made a copy of the original. So we have a copy here and a copy here. Now what if you just want to remove or move it as we did with the mouse, but without using the mouse? Well, we select, we go over, we press Control X. That is the cut. What that means is it's going to take the file away from the spot, and when we go to the new folder, do Control V, it will move that cut file and place it there. So now you see we only have one copy and not two. Now what if you want to get rid of a file, folder, what have you? Well, we'll go back to odds and ends. We'll take this out, I'm going to paste it, make a copy back into images, and we'll go back. So odds and ends, there's nothing in that folder, we do not need it. Now we select it and we press delete. It's gone. But it's sitting in the trash. Now we can easily do the empty the trash, and that'll get rid of it. But there is an easier way of doing that without having to go back into the trash and clicking empty the trash. So we go to dock, back to the home. We go to the odds and ends where our first thing was created. We select the file. If you press delete, it puts it right in the trash. And this is where you have to come, click empty trash, and everything's gone. Now, if we select the folder we want removed, and instead of just pressing delete, we press shift delete. Shift delete does a permanent removal, skipping through, bypassing through placing it into the trash can. So in this case, shift delete will allow you to remove it from the system just like that. So in this case, we want to permanently delete it, cancel delete, we go up, we click delete, and it's gone forever. See, it's not even in the trash. Much like Windows and other operating systems, it's similarly set up, quite easy to get used to. It is the same you would. It'd help out a lot with organization, with files and folders, and allows you to place your things where they need to be so you can keep on track with your tasks. And that's it for this lesson. I hope you join us next time on our 4th lesson, which will be posted sometime next week. Thank you.